am on the way to the parade house. I should be there in just a few minutes.
Okay, you're gonna die when you see it. It has turned out so beautiful. It's warm, it's inviting, and you know what it feels like?
What?
It feels like home. Just wait until you see it.
Awesome, I can't wait.
Okay.
See you in a bit.
See you soon.
Welcome to Northridge, where you are in the heart of North Raleigh. Now, people who choose to live in this neighborhood get the best of both worlds. I mean, look at what your landscape looks like, mature. There's 2 golf courses right in your backyard, a clubhouse that's phenomenal. The lifestyle here is second to none. We've got a brand new home that's on parade, and I want you to take a look. Come on. Wow, wow. She sure does clean up nicely. Hey.
Hi, what do you think?
I love it. It looks so good.
Look amazing.
Thank you so much for coming out. Is this not gorgeous or what?
It turned out impeccable.
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with this house.
I know. This kitchen just is out of this world. You know, we see so many houses that are colder and all white. And even though this one is white, there's so much warmth that's
so
brought
much
in.
warmth. Yes,
Yeah.
it's very functional. I feel like it's perfect for a family. The way it lays out, I love all of the extra storage. The endless cabinets is definitely my favorite, and all of the other touches throughout.
I love the warmth in the countertops, the stained island, and then of course, you know, I love windows in the kitchen,
Yes.
right?
There's so many windows, and in here there's so much natural light. It's just captivating.
Did you see the scullery?
No, I haven't looked at that yet.
Look at how fabulous this is.
I love
In
this.
addition to all the kitchen space, and
Yes.
then the Miele coffee maker.
Yes, that's
built in,
fabulous.
wine cooler, and I love this swing door, but I want to show you this room
Okay.
in just a little bit. So what do you think about this breakfast?
Well, I really love this new trend of getting rid of a formal dining room and making the eat-in more formal.
Yeah.
So it feels more like home.
It really does, and I think with the vaulted ceiling, the light fixture, the white oak beams in the ceiling, brings it all together, and I am totally dishing on the grids in the windows.
Yes.
It's a little nod to tradition, right?
Yes, completely wrapped as well.
And then you add that to this family room. I mean,
It's gorgeous. And
the fireplace?
The limestone fireplace is definitely one of my favorites. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
I love how it all flows together.
you know, Halcyon is known for details, right?
Yes.
And Halcyon means peacefulness.
Mm-hmm.
So this house epitomizes everything that the builder is. And what's so cool about this is the little touches that people might not see.
Mm-hmm.
For example, the trim outs on the built-ins
Absolutely.
that you may not pick up on, but you know the house feels good.
Mm-hmm.
You just don't know why. The casings,
Mm-hmm.
the baseboards.
Yes.
I mean, the finishes in this home feel like what you would see in a $3 million home.
Absolutely. I saw on their website combined, they have over 65 years of experience in construction and development. And you can definitely see throughout this home, and through a couple of houses I've walked, you can always tell when it's a Halcyon home.
Always.
Yes.
Let's go take a look at the primary.
Okay, I can't wait.
Before we get there though,
Gretchen, I love this powder bath.
is this sink not amazing? I want this in my house.
Gosh, it's such a statement, and I love the wallpaper. This is amazing.
I know, right?
Yes. Okay. Oh, what's in here?
A friend's porch.
Oh my gosh,
I mean-
I love this. I really love that they're pulling in the trend of green.
I do too.
I think green is the color of the year.
And what about this floor?
I love the texture
It's
to
just
it.
such a nice space to have a friend's entry here and then a 3-car garage over
Absolutely,
here.
yeah.
And the primary is right here. So literally you can come in, drop your stuff, head into your bathroom. You don't have to walk through the entire house.
This floor plan is really well thought out.
It really is. So as you step into this primary, you'll see the laundry room right here. And
I love this
Isn't it so
door.
cool? There's something in here you're gonna like.
Oh my gosh, the drying racks.
Right?
This is so thoughtful. I feel like everywhere in this house has really thought about like living
Yeah.
and just being functional. And the cabinet space, the sink, this is great.
You know, Austin Robertson has a knack for functionality in a house.
He does.
And check this out. I mean,
The ceiling?
The ceiling, the light fixture, the bright light. I mean,
Absolutely.
This feels completely like a retreat.
The light fixtures throughout this house, I feel like, are perfectly selected.
Yeah.
I really love a statement light fixture. It's like the jewelry of the house.
It really is.
Yes.
Closet over here, which is fantastic. And then, so if you love the green, you're going to lose your mind in here.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It's so pretty. I am obsessed with this bathroom.
Yes.
Oh
the
my
tub,
gosh.
everything. And check out this shower.
I don't know if I've ever seen an arched shower like this before.
I don't think you have.
And the zero entry and the drain in the tile.
Yeah.
Oh my
And
gosh.
4 shower heads.
I mean, this is wild.
I mean, 4.
Yes.
This is so cool.
Yes.
It's one of my favorite features in this house.
For sure. And I love that they did the glass because you know when you get those really big showers and they don't box them in, they don't stay warm enough.
No.
So this was another thoughtful
Very.
touch as well too. Not to mention it's just gorgeous.
Gorgeous. There is so much in this 4,365 square feet. There's 5 bedrooms, one of which is on the main. And one of the great things about this home is you have the primary on the main,
Okay.
a guest bedroom on the main, and you have an office on the main. And if you
These
love
doors.
those doors, you're gonna love these leaded glass doors, right?
Yes,
Let's
these
take
are
a look
great.
in here. Is this
More
spectacular or what?
Statement light fixtures.
Another one.
And the green.
Yes.
They're following all of the trends.
All the trends.
Yes.
And check this trend out, speaking of trends.
A butler's door, you don't
Yes.
see these anymore, at least in new construction. And
And it's a swing.
yes, this is fun.
So let's go check out upstairs. There's an incredible bonus room up here that
Okay.
you're going to fall out
I
for.
really like the runner.
Yeah.
I feel like you don't see a runner.
It warms the stairs up for sure, doesn't it? And
Absolutely.
I love the wall treatment here. The understated light fixture makes the biggest difference so that your eyes are drawn to the wall treatment and then just to the white oak. Check out the spindles, how clean and
Yes.
just easy these are. This rec room is phenomenal. Again, carrying the wood touches through
and the green.
and completely paneled.
Yes.
Plenty of space for multiple different rooms, built-in bookshelves, a wine fridge, and you're going to fall over. Look at this.
How fun is this wallpaper?
And the sink.
I love this sink.
Yeah.
They did such a great job with the selections in this house and the paint and just everything.
And this is one of 2 half baths, and there's 4 full baths in this home. So there are 3 massive bedrooms up here. A finished storage spot, great for all the Christmas items.
Yes.
You know you love Christmas. And 2 unfinished storage areas.
That's
so
great.
Plenty of spots for all the family stuff. I've got one more thing for you to see.
Okay.
Why don't you grab a bottle of champagne out of the fridge?
Perfect.
We can hang out on the porch. So could you see yourself living here?
Absolutely.
So comfortable, right?
Yes. Here, I'll go out this way.
I mean, how gorgeous is
Talk about indoor, outdoor living. This is fabulous.
You know, and all of this right here in Northridge Country Club.
That's crazy. I
mean-
really love this country club.
Yeah, one of the best in all of the Triangle. Just really has an incredibly active lifestyle, 2 championship golf courses. It's got the best of everything, and you can get homes that are brand new and ready to move in, just like this one. Yeah, let's celebrate.
Yes.
Woo! Cheers to an amazing parade of homes and to some lucky buyer who is going to get an incredible home like this, built by Halcyon, and move in ready, comfortable, everything that they want. So
Right at their fingertips.
absolutely. So if you've got anyone who wants to see it, make sure you reach out to me for a private showing.
Absolutely. Phantom screens. All the rage.
All the rage.
Yes.